guys, Bodhi here from Maker Studios, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the YEEDI C12 Plus robot vacuum. Alright guys, so I bought this vacuum specifically for a theater that I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it in the magic show just across the hall. Currently I am at Dreamhouse Theater doing the unboxing because the person who owns the magic show has not arrived yet, and I figured I'd just do it in here. I was going to do it in there, but why not here? This does have a washable mop pad. It's not like a fully featured dock that washes the mop pad. It's just kind of something that it has a little tank, very small tank, and it will drip water onto the mop pad. I want to say that it actually like kind of scrubs the floor, but I'm not 100% sure on that. It has an auto empty station, which is bagless and it is clear. That's the main reason I wanted it in there, because you want to be able to see that these things are working, especially when you're running a business off of these robot vacuums. You want to be able to see if they're working, and leaving all the debris on display when it won't look bad still is a wonderful way to do that. So yeah, starting the unboxing, we do have the one of the mop pads right here. It's definitely reminding me of the YEEDI C12 Plus right here. But this one does look better, and this thing is quite a bit cheaper. The YEEDI C12 Plus is like usually over $400, I believe. Even on sale, it's like over $300. This thing right now, I got this thing for $200 on the dot. And then of course, I mean, when you add shipping, it was $215, but still, I think that's gonna be a great deal for this thing, especially with LiDAR navigation. I think it'll be great. And this thing actually has these blue lines. This is actually textured. So when it gets on the floor, it'll really scrub. Like, yeah, it even doesn't wanna move right here. So I'm sure that'll be great. It actually picked up a little bit. This floor is very dirty in this theater. So yeah, if I ever put a mopping robot in this floor, it's because it's painted on the tile. So that's why it's dirty in here. Not that the mop pad will be bad, but I bought this robot specifically for the vacuum. I'm not even gonna attach the mop pad because it's all carpet in there. Here is the manual for the YEEDI. Here comes a big piece of styrofoam. I hate the way this crap sounds, but it's necessary so it doesn't get broken in shipping. Another big piece of styrofoam will leave us with the robot in this, I believe. So let's take a look at that. Here we go. Yep, here is the top of it. It has a nice little kind of like felt on top of it. Let's bring this thing out. Okay, and here is the robot. Looks really nice. Now let's take a closer look at this. Let's look at the back side. So here is the brush. Let's take it out of the brush guard. Here's the brush guard. No comb on this thing like the Eufy, but I believe there is one down here. And from what I can tell, this brush is pretty good at keeping off hair. Obviously, none of them are gonna be perfect unless you're like something that literally has like in the middle somewhere where the hair to go. But this is fine. I actually see, wow. There's actually two combs down here. There is this big one, and then there's a smaller one down here, which goes to the side. Then it looks like the dustbin's in there. Remove. So yeah, this whole top piece comes off. Okay. And then here is the bumper guard taken off. So the bumper can move freely now. And let's take out the little dustbin. See how to do that. Here we go. It has a little handle. That's kind of cool. Here it is. It's decently big. The magic show is not a dirty place, so I'm sure this will be just fine for that place. And of course, LiDAR navigation. It won't be able to go. I had the Eufy C10 in there originally, and that has like front-facing LiDAR kind of navigation, but it doesn't work very well in the night, and that place is always dark when the robot runs, so it wasn't really doing very well in there. Also a ton of chair legs, so that's the main reason why I needed something with really good navigation. And the bagless auto empty design also lured me in, so let's get that out now. All right, y'all, here comes the auto empty bin with the cord as well. All right, here it is. It has that felt on it once again, like the robot, to keep it nice. And here it, oh my gosh, super staticky. And let's take the cord out of the packaging as well. Right here is the actual bin with the Cyclone technology. So what I like about this is it's not like completely clear. Like, I mean, you can obviously see in there, but it's not like completely white clear. So it looks messy. You know, like it won't look messy in there. You'll just be able to see the stuff. And then of course you just lift it. And then that is where all the stuff come out of. All Cyclone technology. Let's see if I can, how does this come off? Yeah. So you have filters in there, all of that. Let's take that out. Yeah. To separate dust from the actual debris. So you'll only see debris in there. It won't just be like a crap ton of dust, which is really nice. Okay, so it just kind of rests in there. Of course, right down here, you have the charging points. This looks like a little wheel to help it get in, and then another guider. So that's a nice thing. A lot of the problem with the YEEDI C10 is it wasn't docking very good. Like it couldn't always get right back. It didn't usually just get stuck. It just couldn't find its way back to the dock, or like dock correctly. So I'm sure this thing will be a lot better at that. And then here, of course, here's the auto empty port. We do have one last thing in this box, and that is the little ramp, which you have to put on the bottom of the dock. So let's do that. I think you just kind of have to put it on there. Is it on? I think it is. Yep. Mostly just kind of sits on there, which is fine. Won't be a big deal. Yeah, we really do need a robot in this theater too. It's dirty, just from sitting on the floor. Wow. Oh my gosh, I didn't even check my butt. Yeah, here is the YEEDI. So when I get over there, I will do a time lapse of the mapping process, and then I will do a little bit of cleaning with it on the video. And then eventually I will do my month test to see how it's done in there with hair wrap and all that kind of stuff. Alright, you guys, so the mapping went pretty good. It didn't do anything really bad. One thing I will say is it definitely does vacuum when it is mapping. It's making quite a bit of noise. It is sucking stuff up. If there's stuff in its way, just be careful of that. If you have a really, really messy household, then you will want to pick up a little bit or vacuum a little bit before you map the YEEDI C12. It took about 25 minutes to map the magic show, which is honestly a little longer than you would want it to be. I get there's chair legs and all that, but still, I really don't think it should be taking that long to map a very, very small space, smaller than most living rooms. The bin empty is a little weird. It's different than a lot of robot vacuums usually are. Usually it docks and then has one big sound that it does. This one actually does like 2 cycles, so it goes like whoosh and then it does another one right after that. It's a little weird, but hey, if it means it's gonna empty the bin better each time, I am totally happy with it. And it's loud, but it's not too loud. I mean, it's fine. It's pretty average. Maybe a little louder than average. In terms of the robot's raw power, it's great. It really is. The quiet mode is decently quiet and it still has a decent amount of power. The standard mode and strong are really, really good for just picking stuff up and still having pretty good battery life. Considering there's 71 seats and each seat has 4 chair legs, it only taking 2 rounds to get around the entire auditorium is pretty good. And that was on standard suction. It's all carpet too. So it had carpet boost on as well. So it was basically on strong. I will say the max version, it drains battery life so freaking fast. Like, I mean, more than once a minute, it'll go down a battery length. And then also, it is stupid loud when it's on max. This thing is very loud and powerful on its max setting. But it seems to clean extremely well. So, I mean, unless you have something really crazy to vacuum up in your house, I say don't really put it on that max version because it will have to go back to the dock multiple times through the run if you have it on that. So far, during these first couple of cleanings, I have not had to pull off any hair wrap. Once again, I will be making another video coming up about 1 month into using this at the Magic Show. I'm not really going to touch it this next month just to see how it performs, and then we will open it back up and look how it did through the past month. But as of right now, I'm going to say that $200 is a $200 well spent. It is working great and the app works great as well. I will leave a link if you would like to purchase the YEEDI C12. I will also leave a link to my merch store. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.